Royal Shakespeare Company kind of bows. I like that. It's very good, very cordial. Okay, so this is the last performance of the evening, ladies and gentlemen. That was like a 3 out of 1,000 on the disappointment scale, okay? So I'm going to tell you that it's the last performance one more time, and then like a good, willing, cooperative audience, you're all going to sound very disappointed because of all the very nice entertainment it-filled evening, okay? This next performance is the last performance! There we go, you've all been to a panto before. Okay, so the numbers you are about to see are taken from this college's dance show, Fusion. The group have been part of the Creative Dance Enrichment at the college, which is open to all students. Please, it's your final show. Give it up for Loreto College!
Woke up feeling like the baddest I've ever known. Feeling even stronger than I've ever felt before. Push me to the limit, now I'm in a different zone. Now you're all alone, now you're all alone. And I know it's always good to sin, and I fell into the games that you were playing. Yeah, I went to the box and I'm paying, but you never see me like this. Oh, I feel so missing. Yeah, imagine, I know you're gonna have it. Now I got the power and I claim it. So baby, read my lips. I say no, I say yes too many times. Now it's no. Told you I'm no longer under your control. No, I'm not the kind of girl I was before. Can't go with me no more. I say no, I say yes too many times. No. Told you I'm no longer under your control. See, I'm not the kind of girl I was before. Can't go with me no more. I was sick of being a prisoner, living under your thumb. Now it doesn't kill me, better hurry up and run. I let you try to give it, but I rise up like a phoenix. So when all is said and done, you're the only one. And I fell into the games that you were playing. Yeah, I went to the box and I'm paying, but you never see me like this. Oh, I feel so missing. Yeah, man, yeah, I know you're gonna hate it. Now I got the power and I give it. Say it in my boots. I say no. I say yes too many times. Now it's no. Told you I'm no longer under your control. No, I'm not the kind of girl I was before. Can't go with me no more. I say no. I say yes too many times. No. Told you I'm no longer under your control. See, I'm not the kind of girl I was before. Can't go with me no more. It's a shame it had to end up this way. Better off at the end of the day. So I can't do and stay. 'Cause if you're not private, then you're never gonna win. So baby, read my lips. I say yes too many times. Now it's no. Told you I'm no longer under your control. Not the kind of girl I was before. Can't go with me no more. I say yes too many times. No. You told you I'm no longer under your control. See, I'm not the kind of girl I was before. Can't go with me no more. I said no.
screaming my name. Alright, but let me tell you now, there are prices to pay. Alright.
And hold my breath, scared to rock the boat and make a mess. So I said quietly, agreed politely. I guess that I forgot I had a choice. I let you push me past the breaking point. I stood for nothing, so I fell for everything. You held me down.